Welcome to Module 1 of our Copywriting Ad Creative course. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is copywriting? It's more than just writing. It's about persuasion. Great copywriting inspires action. It makes people click, sign up, buy, or engage. From websites to emails to ads, copywriting is everywhere. And it's not just about features, it's about what the product does for your reader. Now let's dive into the psychology behind copywriting. Humans are emotional creatures. Effective copy triggers emotions like desire, fear, or curiosity. The use of FOMO, fear of missing out, can drive urgency. Also, always use the word you. It makes your writing more personal. Understand your audience's pain points and speak directly to their needs. Frameworks help structure your copy. The most popular is either grab attention, build interest, stir desire, then push action. Next, pass, state the problem, agitate it, then offer the solution. Fab works great for product descriptions, show features, their advantages, and most importantly, the benefits. And the 4 C's? Clear, concise, compelling, credible. Use them as a quality checklist. High-impact copy has 4 pillars. Your headline needs to hook in under 3 seconds. The subheadline builds interest. The body copy is where you connect emotionally, educate, and guide. And finally, your CTA, your call to action. This tells them exactly what to do next. Make sure it's clear, specific, and bold. There are many types of copywriting. Direct response copy drives sales or sign-ups immediately. Brand copywriting shapes your identity and voice. SEO copywriting ranks your content on Google. And creative ad copy grabs attention on social platforms. Different goals, different styles. Now a few mistakes to avoid. Don't focus only on features. Talk about how they help. Avoid technical jargon. Keep it human. Every piece of copy needs a strong CTA. Avoid big paragraphs. Use short, readable sentences. And always format for skimmers. Use bullets, bold text, and spacing. If you're serious about a career in content and copywriting, check out our JIP program, Job-Oriented Industrial Project. You'll work on real projects, build your portfolio, and get internship experience. You also get certified and receive placement assistance. The best part? You learn from real use cases, not just theory. Apply now, because we have limited seats. If you're loving this